AI is putting real-life models out of business? Hey there tech fans, today we're going to have a discussion about a controversial topic that's been making waves in the modeling industry, AI's impact on real-life models. That's right, with the rise of AI technology and virtual models, some people are worried that human models may soon become a thing of the past. But is this really the case? Let's take a closer look. First, let's talk about the advantages of AI models. For one thing, they can be created quickly and easily, without the need of extensive photo shoots or complicated makeup and styling. This makes them a more cost-effective option for brands and designers, who can create virtual models with just a simple few clicks of a button. And because AI models are digital, they can be easily manipulated and adjusted to fit the needs of a particular campaign or product. The fashion industry is known as one of the most glamorous and quite lucrative industries in the world, worth billions of dollars every year. It's an industry that is constantly evolving and reinventing itself. Over the years, the fashion industry has seen significant changes with the introduction of new technologies such as artificial intelligence. AI has been making its way into the fashion industry in recent years, and it's now taking over the modeling industry too. AI models are computer-generated images that are used to promote clothing and fashion products. These models are created using sophisticated algorithms that can analyze data from various sources, such as social media and other online platforms, to create a digital model that looks and behaves like a real-life model. These models are often used in advertising campaigns, fashion shows, and product launches. One of the advantages of using AI models is that they can be customized to fit any brand or product. Brands can use AI models to create digital models that represent their target audience, and they can also customize the models to match the brand's style and aesthetics. This allows brands to create more targeted and customized advertising campaigns that are more likely to resonate with their audience. Another advantage of using AI models is that they are more cost-effective than using real-life models. Hiring real-life models can be expensive, and the cost can increase depending on the model's experience and popularity. On the other hand, AI models can be created for a fraction of the cost, and they can be used multiple times without incurring any additional costs. Despite the advantages of using AI models, some people in the modeling industry are concerned about the impact of AI models on real-life models. Many models are worried that AI models will replace them, making it difficult for them to find work. However, it is crucial to know that AI models are not yet able to replicate human form and emotions, which means that real-life models still have a significant advantage over AI models. But what about the human models? Are they really in danger of being replaced by their digital counterparts? Well, not necessarily. While AI models certainly have their advantages, there are still some things that only a human model can bring to the table. For one thing, human models have unique personalities and energy that can't be replicated by a computer program. They also have the ability to emote and convey a wide range of emotions, which can be especially important in fashion and beauty campaigns. Furthermore, human models are able to bring their own experiences and perspectives to a photo shoot or campaign, which can help create a more authentic and relatable message. And let's not forget that humans are still the ones designing and programming these AI models, so even if they become more prevalent in the industry, real-life models will still play an important role in the creative process. Another thing to consider is the impact that AI models could have on diversity and representation in the modeling industry. While AI models can be programmed to have a wide range of physical characteristics, there is still a risk that they could perpetuate certain beauty standards or exclude certain groups of people. Human models, on the other hand, have the ability to challenge these norms and help create a more inclusive and diverse industry. So, what's the verdict? While AI models certainly have their advantages and are likely to become more prevalent in the industry, it's unlikely that they will completely replace real-life models. Instead, we're likely to see a blending of the two, with human models and AI models working together to create compelling and effective campaigns. At the end of the day, the modeling industry, like many industries, is constantly evolving and adapting to new technologies and trends. And while there may be some uncertainty and apprehension surrounding the rise of AI models, we believe that there will always be a place for human models in the industry. After all, there's nothing quite like the real thing. What do you think? Are you Team AI or Team Human? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe for more interesting discussions on the intersection of technology and our daily lives.